the end of December 2017, we spent 6 days in Siem Reap, Cambodia. Just when I was running out of ideas of things to do, I came across BACKSTREET Academy's medieval knife-making class online and decided we would give it a try. We met our host and the coordinator at their roadside shed and were provided with gloves and mouthpieces for safety. And obviously, we don't speak any Cambodian and our teachers don't really speak English. Thankfully, our BACKSTREET Academy coordinator was very helpful with the communication. When the Khmer Empire was the center of power in Indochina, blacksmithing was one of the most flourishing industries due to the weapons and tools needed for the wars and sculptures carving. With more than 30 years of experiences, our teachers, Tipornlay and Lee, taught us how to do it the traditional way. We first melt scraped metal with a charcoal fire oven fanned by a hand-powered wind machine. Then we took it out, hammered it little by little into our desired shape. We repeated the process again and again, and we got to see every stage of the knife-making process. We could also choose to add on a wooden handle, but I chose to build one directly from the metal. The master took care of this part for me, and Lord, he made it look so effortless. Now it's time to cut the blade into shape, and to me, this was one of the most satisfying part of the process. After we cut the shape out with a different type of hammer, we had to hammer off the extra metal. And apparently, I kept hitting on the wrong spot. Finally, the master couldn't stand it anymore, so he decided to take the matter into his own hands. You definitely need a strong arm to hammer, but don't worry, if you got tired, leave it to the masters because they want to make sure you bring a beautiful product home. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. So I do want to show you the knives we made with BACKSTREET Academy in Siem Reap, Cambodia. So here they are. This one was made by Jim, this one was made by me. As you can see, they are in different shapes. When we arrived at the shack, we could actually pick the type of the blade that we want to produce. You could also decide what kind of handle you want to use. So Jim wanted to make a wooden handle. You just need to tell them whether you want this as an add-on when you book the class online. I think it's an extra $10. Well, I like to keep things authentic. So I decided to build it directly from the metal. Well, I didn't really build it, the master did. I love my knife, it's so pretty. The medieval knife making experience was my first ever BACKSTREET Academy experience, and I loved it so much, so when we reached Phnom Penh, I decided to reach out to see if I can take another class with them. That one is already on YouTube as the Khmer Traditional Music class. Also, if you already follow me on Facebook and Instagram, you probably already know that I am now an official BACKSTREET Academy ambassador, which means that I will be able to bring more videos and articles about my experiences with BACKSTREET Academy. If you plan to travel in Southeast Asia anytime soon, and if you want something unique that's different from the usual travel experience, BACKSTREET Academy is a peer-to-peer travel platform that helps travelers to connect with local artists and artisans. Half of the revenue goes back to the local artists, so it's a great way to give back to the local communities when you travel. If you want to know more details, definitely go into the description and find my blog post. Or if you are ready to book your own experience already, check out their website that have plenty to offer around many countries in Southeast Asia. Again, thank you for watching the video. I'll see you next time!